Hello everyone. I will present No Way to Steal My Face. Proactive defense against identity preserving, personalized generation. We protect facial identity by adding a small, imperceptible perturbation to the reference image, making it difficult for personalization systems to reproduce the original identity. We start from a realistic privacy threat. A normal portrait shared online can be used as a facial reference to generate new images of the same person under different prompts or contexts. Our goal is to protect the image before it is misused, while keeping it visually natural to humans. Existing defenses often assume training-based personalization, where the model learns identity through fine-tuning. However, many recent methods are training-free. They extract identity embeddings and inject them during inference. Since these pipelines use different encoders and fusion strategies, we need a defense that targets the common structure, rather than one specific method. We abstract identity-preserving personalization into two stages: identity extraction and identity injection. ID Guardian protects the reference image by disrupting both stages. It computes identity embeddings across encoders, and also redirects the diffusion guidance away from the clean identity. The first component targets identity extraction. We make the protected image produce identity features that differ from the clean image, while preserving visual quality. By using both FaceNet and CLIP, we capture facial identity cues and broader semantic identity information, which improves transfer across different pipelines. The second component targets identity injection. In diffusion models, identity conditioning guides the denazing process toward the target identity. We construct an adversarial direction that pushes generation away from the clean identity manifold, so the output no longer reliably preserves the original person. We assume the defender can only modify the input image and does not know the attacker's personalization method. Therefore, we optimize a bounded perturbation on each reference image using a surrogate model. The optimization combines identity feature disruption with score space guidance deflection, while keeping the perturbation visually imperceptible. We evaluate ID Guardian on 7 personalization pipelines, including both training-free and training-based methods. Across IP Adapter, Infinite ID, PhotoMaker, Blip Diffusion, DreamBoost, and InfiniteU, ID Guardian consistently reduces identity similarity. This shows that attacking both extraction and injection improves generalization across different systems. The qualitative results show that unprotected references often lead to generated faces that preserve the original identity. After applying ID Guardian, the generated faces drift away from the target identity. Importantly, the protected reference image remains natural, so the defense suppresses identity, rather than simply degrading the input. A practical defense must remain effective after common image processing and adaptive attacks. We test JPEG compression, blur, noise, and impress, as well as transfer across backbones. These results show that ID Guardian can still protect the reference image after common processing and under different personalization systems. The ablation study confirms the importance of each component. Using only CLIP or FaceNet gives limited transfer, while combining both improves identity suppression. Adding the adversarial conceptual bridge gives the strongest and most stable results, supporting our two-stage design. To conclude, we propose ID Guardian as a proactive defense against identity misuse in personalized generation. It protects the reference image by disrupting identity extraction and redirecting identity injection. Experiments across diverse pipelines show that ID Guardian reduces identity consistency while preserving visual quality and robustness.